Right, so second skim of filler. I'm going to do that bit of filling now and you'll see the after bit. And then I've got to put some seam sealer in there. Seam sealer? Seam sealer. Right, so far we are here. Pretty good. It's got to do some 600 and 800, that was 180. But now it's starting to rain. Okay. Right, so we're this far, but I need to achieve this textured stone chip. So what I'm planning on, I've masked off where the line should be, and I should use stone chip, but I don't have any, so I've tested this and it looks alright. Ta-da! Going to put that hammered texture on there to make the line back, and hopefully it'll be alright. Let's see. Final wipe. For those of you that don't think I use it, I certainly do. Right, just going to dry that a bit. Obviously I've got to paint over it, the red, but it definitely looks textured, which is what I'm looking for. So I'm going to let it semi-dry and then peel this off, and hopefully it will leave a small line, which is what I want, to try and replicate that. Anyway, right, so this is what it looks like. Got a bit of a run there, but it's not the end of the world. So you can see I'm just blending it back in with a primer. There's a bit of a line there, which is okay. Right, I will show you the after. Right, just give it a clean. I've done this about 20 times. So this is my last one. Oops. Right. Right, pack. Right, so paint's all done. I'm blending here. Hopefully it will blend. That's the plan. Let's just put that plastic over the tyre. Right. Lacquer again in the can. I have shook it. Let's go over here. Do underneath first. Quickly there. Right. And the wind stops. Painted. There's a bit of colour difference, but not too much. Annoyingly, I just marked it. It has rained, unfortunately, and my blend is about here, and the scratching is from roughing it up. So I've got I need to polish it back here. And there's the line I made. I'm really happy about. Just on the hammer right. The original is from there. There we go.